Thursday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. I will do my best to keep this video very short, sweet, and to the point. So as always, the links to all of the job leads that I talk about will be in the description box below. And if this job lead is not for you, you can do one of two things. You can leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reviewing the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I also have in the description playlist linked below. There might be something that I recently posted in one of those playlists that is specific for you. I have playlist for global hiring jobs. I have playlist for healthcare jobs, playlist for non-phone jobs. So make sure you check it out. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company U.S. Anesthesia Partners. They are hiring a billing charge entry specialist to work remote from home. This is a full-time position. Now, the charge entry specialist performs data entry and validation of electronic entry of anesthesia charges, including patient demographics like name, date of birth, social security number, and to the patient accounting system. So you'll be reviewing all documents upon receipt to ensure that all required information is there. You'll enter and validate the patient demographic data into the patient accounting system. You'll select and enter the proper insurance payer by product and location and validate that the insurance is correct, or get insurance information if needed. You'll review batch errors and rejections and make any necessary corrections, and you'll assist the collections department with collections and billing issues as needed. So they do not require a college degree for this position, only a high school diploma or equivalent. They prefer someone who has previous billing or coding experience, but that is not required. You will need to be able to meet minimum production and quality requirements once initial training is complete. So paid training, they will train you. What they do need is someone who has skills in data entry or using a keyboard, someone who can be organized, who can use applications such as Microsoft Word and Excel, someone who has good verbal and written communication skills, someone who has the ability to work independently with limited supervision, and someone who can communicate well. Now, one thing to note, because it is real small print, so I did also copy this and put it in the description box below. There are certain states that they hire from. Those are Alabama, Arizona, Colorado, Georgia, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Louisiana, Maine, Michigan, Missouri, Maryland, Nevada, North Carolina, New Jersey, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, Washington, and Wisconsin. So if you reside in one of those states, you can apply to this position. Now, one thing to note, they did not list the pay or benefits. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. If you find any of these job leads helpful, I just ask that you give this a thumbs up like button, because that gives me direct feedback that they are helpful to someone. And as always, please feel free to share with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our best, healthiest, happiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.